Ito sa akong classroom ron. Kuha niyo ba akong tape po. Hindi na dahil na.
Strong wind. Na ilang tumba dari saging. Wow. So we're approaching Choice Nantaku Height Building. Si PUC good. So si PUC very busy cleaning the road because of the few and some okay na diri kay open walay kakuanan walay matumba diri. Okay, that's it. So we'll check inside.
Tumba.
Bye. So this is the situation right now. We got Chuuk high and then we found some, what's this, roofing? That's roofing, yeah?
Yeah.
Roofs?
Tin roof.
Roofs. My goodness. So from rooftop to the ground. And now we're going back Mwan side. This is our update today. Is the Chuuk situation right now. My goodness.
Kani. Pero dito kita sige itong pertika ko sabi. Istubangan. Kani kay may banggaan pa man.
Basura mo niya. Yato ng basura.
Ato mo yung
That's the seaside, Susumu side. Woo! This side traffic.
Ang balagon.
Traffic, why? Because the waves. See, imagine that one. The sea water.
Oh, balagon.
Sa mana?
May video mo ko sa balagon.
Looks like waterfall. See? Grabe ni bay. Unsa kaya nang sa kuan kanang mga nasa park ga kuan?
Ga?
Agoy.
May park ba nga?
Oh, nga na mga fountain. Yeah, see?
Yeah.
Fountain. This is fountain in Chuuk. Right now, see? Look. Cars now, traffic this side because of the ocean. See, look. My goodness.
Dito ba ka bitso na ta?
Dito rata.
Dito ta?
Dili, unong ginato dito. Mubalik ta diri. See? Halaka! Grabe bay!
Kaya matalsik, kikitaan gini mong fountain, no?
Halaka!
Wala!
Diba? Dali. Transfer ko.
Okay.
Ano.
Grabe bay. Hala! Okay.
Wow! Splashing!
Patay. Tapas.
Splashing!
Ano mga bata,
Mga bata
nagtula.
na-enjoy ang mga bata,
Basta. Balik lagi tayo.
Imagine mo.
Pagkuman ako po. Tama. No, sa dagan ka na doon kung saan ka na.
Alright guys, friends, Chuuk's friends in mainland. So this is the situation of Chuuk right now. What's the kanin dito kuya? Safety inside. Look at the situation. And that's Nantaku. And very very sad.
I'm going in front of Shigito.
That's our truck stop bridge.
I'm going in front of Shigito.
No, kuya, what happened to the bridge, kuya?
It's already
Huh?
broken.
Broken? Oh, sorry for that. Oh, because of the wind. Oh my goodness. That's because of the waves, big waves in Chuuk. First time in history, my goodness. So pray for Chuuk and some other islands this time. So thank you very much. And that's the update today. So when we passed this morning, it's really traffic because one way. Because of those rocks on the road.
Kami
Middle of the road.
Wala pa.
So on one side,
Magkuani, mag-auction.
diya ka bintana ka. So Lugan Church side. This is the situation right now. Full traffic.
Ang dagat sa dito.
View. This is Chuuk today, guys. Have a good day. Good morning. Again, this is Kuya Novo giving you this update. April 10. Chuuk update. April 10, 2026. And when we look at our coconut right there, that's our condition right now. And then when we look at also the on top of the mountain, you can see those palm trees. Really struggling, I think. So our coconut, you can tell that it's really windy. Alright, so let's continue and checking our way along our way to Chuuk High School. Okay, so that's it. Keep praying for all of us, of course, for safety. And thank you to Risi Chabur and Rananin. So that's the update today. It's cloudy, windy. April 10, 2026 is our situation. So going white, that's going AWM. And we're here now beside the Vital, Chuuk Vital. It's raining and you can really feel the wind. Prananim again. The road with the branches. Hello guys, this is the situation. This is live right now. This is live right now. So time now here in Chuuk is 3:59. Wow, that's very strong. Woo. Wow, that's very strong. Woo. Our location right now is at Mwan. Oh my goodness. So this is live. Our time now is 4:01 Chuuk time. Oh my goodness. We'll check the oh branches. Oh man. Oh wow. Woo. That's our situation. Let's check the mountain side. The more you keep safe, my friends. Keep safe, everyone. Yeah, this morning we found or we saw children playing beside the ocean. That's our request to parents. Remind your kids not to play in case there is a surprise big waves, then that's gonna be a problem. So beyond that mountain is Chuuk. It's a little bit far. This is really actual situation.